Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Modern sofa aesthetics represent a harmonious blend of form and function in contemporary interior design. These sofas are not merely pieces of furniture, they are a statement of style and comfort, crafted with a keen eye for sleek lines, innovative materials, and ergonomic design. Modern sofas cater to the demands of today's homeowner. Their aesthetics and characterized by clean, uncultured profiles that exude a sense of sophistication and simplicity. Whether you opt for a minimalist design or a more intricate one, modern sofas are renowned for their ability to seamlessly fit into a wide array of interior decor themes, incorporating the latest trends in upholstery, fabric, and clutter palettes. These sofas allow you to customize your living space with ease. The use of high quality sustainable materials is a testament to their commitment to environmental responsibility. Furthermore, the comfort factor is never compromised. These sofas often feature innovative cushioning and support systems, ensuring that relaxation is at the forefront of their design. Their aesthetics go beyond visual appeal to provide a luxurious seating experience. In summary, modern sofa aesthetics are a reflection of contemporary living, a delicate life balance between style and comfort. They represent the evaluation of furniture design, adapting to the changing needs and tastes of today's homeowners. These sofas are not just pieces of furniture, they are expression of a modern lifestyle that values both beauty and functionality. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe and like Interior Design channel.